Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, look, let's just put it this way, okay? It's the Christmas season of 2020. So as the year has gone, I'm pretty sure it's safe to say that pettiness is a form of self-care. So with that said, I'm gonna be just talking about unpopular opinions according to me. Like, my opinions might be unpopular, and just some things like I've noticed. You know, things that maybe just irk me a little. I was watching some unpopular opinions and I'm like, if I were to like bring this to, I don't know, Instagram, I get like 2 responses probably. So the video would have lasted like 2 seconds. So these are just my opinion, mine alone. Guys, please just like have fun with it, okay? I do some of these things and I wrote it down. So I'm making fun of myself. So if you're ready to get petty, stay tuned. Number 1. I think I've done this like a couple of times. It's not something I say frequently, but I hear it a lot on beauty YouTube. And that is the phrase, or anything like that. But the mascara is not like clumpy or anything like that. The foundation is full coverage, but I don't feel it or anything like that. But this lipstick is not drying or anything like that. Oh my goodness, it's getting dark. God is probably being like, stop it. And I'm gonna just be like, it's 2020. Father, forgive me, I have sinned. But going back to it, that phrase into a sentence of a beauty YouTube video will live on in infamy. But let me make it perfectly clear that I'm not being petty or anything like that. Okay, this is something that I hear a lot in declutter videos, and I just wonder, like, are you really going to? And it's the, I'm gonna keep this palette, I still wanna play with it, and now that I have more room, like, I'm gonna play with it. But then they keep like, I don't know, 30 palettes, and they say the exact same thing. I'd much rather you say like, you know what, I just don't wanna get rid of it. But some people be keeping too many, and you question like, is you really gonna play with that palette? Even the small collection that I have, I would be kidding myself if I said I'd be using these palettes all the time. Like, some of them have been neglected and I don't have a big collection. If you want a huge collection, like, by all means, none of my damn business. But if you're gonna sit there and say that you's gonna play with it, and deep in your heart, you's really not gonna play with it, don't lie. If you do YouTube videos, we have become accustomed to disclaimers, and disclaimers to a certain extent kind of pisses me off. The reason I say this is because we've come to a point where even the smallest things, you feel like you have to put a disclaimer into your videos. I feel like that's how PC we've become in this world. Like, some stuff you gotta call it out like it should be called out. But like really small, minute, unnecessary stuff that you feel like you have to disclaim. Like, for example, sometimes I talk about not having nail polish on my nails. I feel like I have to put a disclaimer about it. And my channel is not big by any means, so I don't even get the grunt of the possibilities on YouTube, but I have seen it on some people where if their hair is up in a bun, some people be like, why are you not fixing yourself for your video? What? We've gone accustomed to be like, hey guys, look, I'm sorry I look like this, but I just didn't feel like getting ready. We have to disclaim that now. Seriously. Unnecessary disclaimers we should just throw out the window, and we should not feel like we have to put it at the beginning as a way of like lessening the blow, diluting the intensity of someone else saying it before us. You know what I mean? Some of these people commenting on videos just really shouldn't be doing it. People be too sensitive on the internet. That's what I'm gonna leave it there. This next one is just a me thing, and that's that eyeshadow doesn't have to go on the bottom of like the lower lash line, and I think it looks better without anything on there. Case in point, my eyeshadow today. This is how I like to do my eyeshadow. Just like keep it a little heavy on top, and maybe I'll put some bottom mascara. That's the way I like it. I have seen people who, when they like smoke out their lower lash line, their look just goes from like a 7 to a 17. But that is not me, and henceforth I will talk about it. whilst I'm being petty. Okay, I don't think this is an unpopular opinion. I think I am with the majority when it comes to us in this beauty community, but there should be a mandatory documentary in and around the range of like mid-end to luxury beauty brands where they explain why their products cost as much as they do. Because there are some really good products that don't cost nearly as much as those other products do, and you wonder why. I know a lot of it has to do with, buying into the name, the brand, but I would just love to hear someone in the industry, someone in the company just like verbalize it. I just want to hear it. I just want to hear someone say like, look, I'm making it expensive because I can and I want to take your money. Because I doubt it. In my heart, I know that the packaging and the makeup, they don't cost that much to make, especially if you're making that many of them. We want makeup, and so you're just gonna put a price tag on it because someone's gonna buy it. Just say it out loud. Next on the list, makeup brushes need to learn how to clean themselves. I hate washing brushes. Once I get into the rhythm, I kind of enjoy it because I've already started, so I can't stop short. It's not in me. I have to follow through. I have not found a person that's like, oh, I just have to wash my 6 brushes. You ain't just washing 6 brushes. It's like an entire set of encyclopedia. You have to wash like 73, and it's not fun at all. We need to figure it out. I want a washing machine for brushes. I'll just leave it all in there and they's gonna wash themselves. Looking at dirty brushes just reminds me of 2020, Next up, I might hurt a few people's feelings, but this is just personal opinion, guys. Disclaimer. There is no need for a 12-step skincare routine. I said it. And this is coming from someone who did have a 12-step skincare routine. I did skincare from the time I woke up to the time I went to sleep. I was on point with my skincare. And I didn't have like horrible skin, but it wasn't great either. And so I thought I'm just gonna slap on all of these things and then external Accutane, I guess. But I still got acne. My skin for the most part felt good, but I think anytime you put cream on your skin, it just automatically feels better. Then I decided to take care of myself. I started losing weight. I drank and continue to drink a crap ton of water, and I know what my trigger foods are for my acne if it's not like the time of the month. And I never used to drink water up until college. Thank you, roommates, for introducing me to H2O. And my skin be looking better than it's ever been. And I have not been doing anything with skincare. I just wash my face. That is it. I mean, now I have sunscreen and toner, but I'm gonna be honest with you, sometimes I forget. And this is not just me saying it, it's like my family, my friends are noticing that my skin is better than when it was. Now, I know there are benefits to skincare, and some people really do see a difference, but for me and my experience, the biggest game changer you can do is getting your diet in order. Anyways, guys, I forgot to show you. Look, in light of me being petty, I thought I would extend that's not an olive branch, that's an orchid branch, and be like, hey, if I hurt your feelings, that wasn't my intention. I'm hurting my feelings too. But yeah, I just stole this from my mom. I took it outside. I wanted to put in my video. So there you go. That's an orchid. Guys, when I say my mom got plants and flowers, she got plants and flowers. Anyways, thank you guys. What the hell, Annabelle? Thank you guys for joining me in this video. Take it lightheartedly, guys. It's 2020. I'm pretty sure we can survive a petty video like this. If you guys like this makeup look, go ahead and check me out on Instagram. Our first link in the description box down below, where I post a photo of this makeup look along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye, guys. Bye. Look my plant. Look my plant. It's not mine, it's my mom's, but it's mine right now.